Hi, this is Bob with Express Restoration of Oklahoma City. We're doing another water loss. It's a commercial slash residential at the doctor's office. We'll do a little walkthrough. We got 32 Focus air movers, 6 Sahara fans with turbo vents, 48-inch, 3 R200 dehumidifiers from Phoenix. We'll do a quick walkthrough. We took all the cold base off, punch holes in so we can drive the walls inside out. Let's do a walkthrough. Follow me, guys. That's the Drieaz with a 48-inch turbo vent. It's great for pressurized static pressure building up and down the walls. Drives them out really good even with insulation. It's a great tool to have for a restorator. Anyway, come on. Anyway, this is Bob with Express Restoration. Give us a call on area code 405-922-8891. If you're in Oklahoma City area, we rent equipment, Phoenix, Drieaz, Viking. We sell supplies. Give us a call on area code 405-922-8891. If you need a bid, water damage, loss, give us a call. We'll take care of it.